Hello, good morning and welcome back. I have used the bathroom in the mall here to make myself a little bit fresh. And now I have to move on to another parking place in the city here, where I want to check on Scooby's problems. Because as you might have seen in the last video, there were so bad roads that you couldn't call roads anymore. And I had to take Scooby really off-road, like a 4x4 vehicle. It was so terrible, and nearly got stuck there. You check out that video from yesterday. Oh, but now it's starting to rain. That's a problem, but only maybe 3 hours. So I hope I can crawl under the car then later on. I'm back from work and I found a parking place in front of a middle school, I guess. This doesn't look like a school, but it is. So it was dry before, but now it's raining. And I had made some repairs to the front axle. So what I did is filled up the grease on the axle bolts, and then I have adjusted the brakes a little bit. So, and the most important thing, I tightened up lots of bolts, because one on the driver's side damper on the top was a little bit loose, and that was making the knocking noise yesterday on the very uneven road. So everything is fine now. Now I have filled up a little bit of oil, because after 5,000 kilometers there was a little bit of oil missing, which was really good. So the engine overhaul was successful and not burning so much oil. I haven't filled up completely, so I can't tell you the amount that was missing, but I will do it when it's dry again. And after that I want to use the fluid film on the metal bar springs on the car, so they don't squeak anymore. Yeah, I hope this will dry up soon here, so I can go outside again. Now I'm having breakfast, so it is nearly noon, I guess, yeah. And so I'm hungry. That's how you transport a tractor on a lorry, yeah. At the moment, slight thunderstorm, rain. Not a problem, I have to make breakfast now. I've just cleaned up here and still had not time to make breakfast, and I washed my hands and so on. I've tried to find an auto mechanic, and the first one was not able to do that, to put a new thread on it, on the gear lever stick. And now they have told me maybe this mechanic can do it here, but it's closed, unfortunately. It says 9 to 1700, but it is closed at the moment. Maybe he's driving somewhere. I will wait some time here. Yeah. And the second problem is this one here. This has ripped out yesterday on the very bad road. It is a front wheel arch here. It is inside here. I have mounted it here against the mud and water flying around in the corners here. Yeah, so it's really sad that this has ripped out on the other side, because I hit a stone here, and then the stone bent this under the tire, and I was driving backwards, so this went under the tire and ripped it all out. Yeah. Perfect. Oh well. And you can see. Yeah, I'm out of luck. So I have called him, but he couldn't speak any English. So the only what I heard is that he's not home. And then I've asked the neighbors here, and they said no, he's not working today because there was some public holiday or something. Came by and tried to help me with a new ball for the gear stick here. But I have the ball with me, the old one. It is in the roof box now. The problem is the thread is too short. There's only maybe 3-4 millimeters left. The rest is broken off. And so I hope we can make a new thread on it, so it's longer. Well, yeah. Also, we could weld something on it. Well, he said there is another mechanic. He's also spray painting cars. I could drive there. It's about 1 kilometer, but the highest possibility is that he's not working today. So guys, I found a repair shop that is open today. So he opened up for me because he was on holiday. So he came down and then we solved the problems. He welded on the gear stick and then we put in the wheel arch here again. And your name is?
Radovan.
Radovan.
Nevesinje.
Very nice to meet you, Radovan.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your help. And you will be on my YouTube video from today.
Okay.
Thank you. So, it is built in here, I hope you can see. And I can show you the gear lever. He welded on this part here again, and I hope it will not break off again. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Here is his sign, Auto Service Kapor. Nevesinje?
Nevesinje.
Ja?
Radovan Kapor.
Ah, genau.
Radovan Kapor.
Radovan Kapor. That's his shop here.
Okay.
He also has a shop with spray painting cars. Here, extra cabin for spray paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tu radimo pripremu I lakiranje.
Prepare?
Šmiglanje.
Ja.
Restauracija, repariranje vozila. Ovo.
Yeah, okay. And in this part here, he is preparing the cars before the paint job. Super. Scooby-Doo, Auto Service Kapor. Super. I have decided to drive to the town where the river is and where the monastery is. I don't know the town name, I put it in here. So there is a park for night space at Family. I think they charge 10 km for the night. And you can shower there and maybe have Wi-Fi, I don't know. So I'm on my way now, because the weather is beautiful and it is only 23 minutes to go and it's late. It's nearly 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so I have to find a place for the night. There was a big hill in Nevesinje direction Mostar that Scooby had to climb, but it was perfect, no problems, there was enough power, so he climbed in 3rd gear. But there was power enough, I guess, so I think the repair was successful on the valve plate. This is a very curvy road here. You can see a long and winding road. Yeah. Thanks, Paul. That was close. Suddenly there was a cow in the middle of the road, but I could avoid it. Oh, it's really flat here. Sheep there. Flat bushland here. Oh, on top of the mountain there are wind turbines. And the first that I see here in Bosnia. Now it's getting downhill again here. There's a descent, I think we have to go down there. Oh, look at that castle there. Nice castle. That's Mostar, I think. Oh no, it's not Mostar. It's the town where I want to go. Mostar is 13 kilometers away. Oh, nice garbage here. Oh, nice. So many of them have these Mercedes-Benz lorries here with an open back. I've seen 4 of them today. Up there is a road where I came from. And now I'm down here in the residential area. Really nice road here. Looks nice, the houses here. What's that? Oh. Here we have a cemetery. As you might know, I'm a big fan for sleeping at the cemetery.
Rechts abbiegen.
Yeah, turn right. I always wanted to change the voice. I have it on my smartphone, but I have not changed it here on the navigation device. I want to turn it into English. From what I've seen so far, this looks really nice, the town here. Bump, bump. Oh, nice. Autocam. Yeah, Blagaj. That's the name of the town. Here we have a pomegranate tree.
Yeah.
He picked this one from me.
Yes.
And how do I eat this? Cut it and eat it with a spoon? Or how do I eat a pomegranate?
Na kako se kaže šipa pogledati?
Like you're gonna cut and there's like I have a little beans like pink
Okay.
and so you eat that.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's try a pomegranate. I haven't tried one before. You eat the small things inside. Some camper vans already here. One from France, I guess, and from Austria, and a car from Germany. You see, there's a cemetery opposite of the road. I feel at home. Oh, they have a cactus here. Big cactus. Nice city, really nice. Bus. It is the first evening that is warm again. So it was really cold the last days, and today it's quite warm here. Sunshine, really nice. Big roses. Unfortunately, they don't have a shower here. They only have a washing basin with cold water. Oh, look at what the son has brought me here. Some cookies and some wine grapes. And the pomegranate. I will try that later. This is the pomegranate when it's open, and I've tried the juice and it's really sour. So now let's check out the fruits. How can I get them out? I need both hands. So let's try the fruits. Oh. Sour like a lemon. Crunchy. I don't know. Can you eat the whole thing? I guess so. It's a little bit difficult to get the things out here. Maybe there's a special spoon for it. But I must say, I think it's not my favorite fruit. You can eat it, yeah. It's a little bit too sour. The easiest way to get to the lower fruits inside is to cut away the outside and then eat. Pull them out with the teeth. Yo, it's really time consuming to eat this fruit. It has been now 15 to 20 minutes and I'm not finished with the first half. As you can see, there are more in there. They're calling for the evening prayer. After spending an hour eating the pomegranate, I want to check out the evening town here, the castle up there. Oh, there's a bed. There. And first I have to check out the bus stop because I want to go to Mostar tomorrow with the bus. Let's see. Small cafes. So here at this place should be the bus stop. And where's this sign? There is a bat flying. Wow, finally, again, Volkswagen Golf 1. You don't see that very often here. They mostly drive the MK2 Golf. From here you can see the castle and the mosque. And the wild river Buna is running down the stream here. There's an Italian restaurant and a collapsed house here. And over there should be the bus station without the sign and no timetable. Okay. But the village is really nice here. Really calm. Nice surrounding areas here. A really small supermarket.